Lo siento por hacer fidgeting, pero es lo que nos gusta hacer. Y si a ti te interesa, danos follow y comenta.
What you gonna do with that dessert? Do what, do what, dee da, dee da, dee da. Do what, do da, dee da, do da, dee da. Do what, do da, dee da, do da, dee da. Murder that, dance up, dance up. Murder that, murder that, murder that, murder that.
Are you saving that dessert for me? Cause if you are, baby, you know you could work for me. The way you do it causing jealousy, but you don't.
¡Lo rompí! No, ¿qué voy a hacer? Hola, ¿ya saliste los Monkey Noodles? ¡Ay! Hubo una pequeña complicación y se rompió. ¡No! Como disculpas, ¿le puedo ofrecer esta tarjeta VIP? Ok, está bien, gracias. Qué mal que me la rompió, pero por lo menos me dio la tarjeta. ¿También lo pasas? ¡Qué cool! Pero tienen comidas riquísimas. No me digas que es maqueto.
Hola, bienvenida a la zona VIP.
¿Tú eres Mónica Morriverón, la del podcast Despega?
Sí.
Joaquín, ¿qué haces aquí? ¿Cómo es que él es de la zona VIP? Wow. ¿Papá?
¿Qué?
¿Cómo lograste entrar a la zona VIP? Joaquín, ¿tienes oferta por esto?
Sí.
¿Qué cosa? ¡Oh! ¡Wow! Bueno, los voy a dejar aquí para ir al baño. ¡Oh! ¿En dónde están los fidgets? ¿Tú te robaste los fidgets?
No.
Salah. Tunggu. Salah. Ini kuncinya, ulang ya.
3, 2, 1, she got me going psycho.
Hey Squidgers! We just got a bunch of fidgets and we're gonna open them. First, we got some fidgets from Family Dollar. First, we got this big squishy yum pack of mochis. It came in this adorable flower container. First, we have this, what looks like to be a polar bear. It's super cute. Is it squishy? Yeah. Next, we have this fish. I literally love this so much. And they have this seal. This is literally adorable. Oh my gosh. And we have this, what is it?
Narwhal.
It looks like a narwhal. I don't know. I have no idea what this is, but it's literally so cute and super squishy.
This is a sheep, and, well, it kind of looks like sheep, but it's super cute and squishy.
And we got this chick. This is adorable.
And we found out this was actually a squirrel.
Next, we got these 2 splat balls. We got 1 tomato and a frog. I'm so sorry we couldn't fit this all into one video. We will be making a part 2, and we will be uploading it very, very soon, so check it out. My brother rates my fidgets. Color changing Nidos. Rate out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Normal Nido.
9 out of 10.
Pop It.
10 out of 10.
Simple Dimple.
6 out of 10.
Globbies.
7.5.
My favorite ASMR pod.
9.5.
Splat balls.
7 out of 10.
ASMR bar.
6 out of 10.
Monkey noodle.
3 out of 10.
Mochi.
8 out of 10.
Crystal stress ball.
7 out of 10.
Homemade snapper.
7 out of 10.
Strawberry squishy.
7 out of 10.
Slime.
10 out of 10.
We'll make a second part if this gets 200 likes.
to purple, green to purple, green to purple, green to purple. Oh,
What fidgets are actually worth it? Also, use the sound. Yes, 100%. Honestly, no. Nope, not worth it. Yes, 1,000,000%, yes. Buy one right now. No, well, at least not this one. Yes, my absolute favorite. Yes. Yes, I absolutely love this. It's so satisfying. No, not worth it. You know, it's really your preference, but I like these. I don't use this a lot, but yes. Yes, I love these. To be honest, very overpriced, but yes, I love these. Don't come at me, but no. Yes. Duh, yes. No. Don't buy them. Last but not least, of course. Oops.
Gassed out shorty, said I need about 40. Pull up to the party, yeah.
gassed up shawty, said I.
Fidgets to not take to school.
Come on, don't stop and keep it going, do it. Let's get it on, move it.
Come on, baby, do it.
I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
My dad bought these for my small business. How do I tell him I'm not getting any sales? Would be nice if you follow, share, and click the link in my bio to check my shop out.
No.
Won't happen, so thanks, but no, I think I'm good to go, cause I quite enjoy the life you say I'm trapped in. Now I admire you, and that'll show you do. You're onto something, really it's something.
You wanna do it. Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't.
No, wait. That one actually did work out.
Simple Dimple. Pop it. Добавляй. Забирай. go. Mirror, 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 stand on the wall. Please try to make me the coolest kid of them all. This girl with the hair better beware, cause everywhere she be, I'ma be there.
I danced in the desert in the pouring rain, drank with the devil and forgot my